Hey you guys, it's your girl Tempest Nicole and welcome back, family. We are now a family of 60K, y'all. Can y'all believe it? Like, I feel like everything is happening overnight. We are on the road to 100K to be a family of 100,000 members. No, I'm just saying. Yeah, but I'm here to say I'm thankful. Shout out to everybody who's commenting. Shout out to everybody for the encouraging words. Because once again, y'all already know this is a positivity page and a money making page. Did we say money making? I think we did. Okay, so you know your girl had her first Valentine's Day as a florist. And I admit that I am very, very thankful. But your girl was very, very tired. But it was well worth it. So, if y'all want to hear more about how Valentine's Day went, and I also messed up on 2 orders, y'all. I messed up on 2 orders, but that'll be another topic. So, with further ado, a lot of people are saying that the wrapping, I need to practice on my wrapping. And I'm not gonna lie, I still tussle with the wrapping too. But I'm going to show y'all what has worked easier for me. So, be sure y'all like, subscribe, comment. Like, subscribe, comment, like I said, because today is Big Hair Saturday, baby. We Big Hair Saturday. We Diana Rossing it up, okay? Alright, so we're going to finish this bouquet with me. We're going to finish her. I'm missing some. She's snaggletooth right now, so we missing some stuff right here. So, let me add some more bills. And I'll finish this one and wrap this one. Look at it. It's giving, yeah, Barcelona. Ain't that what they said on Nemo? Casanova. One of them. Okay. So, we're going to fold some bills. I'm going to try to record as best as I can. And I'm going to show y'all what I've used. What I'm going to use. And yeah, let me show y'all what I'm going to do to wrap it. But first, let's put these extra bills on here and we're gonna get it cracking. Okay, so now that we're done doing our little extra bills, we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna place it on our bouquet. I did have to add some extra bills in this one, so but the majority of the time people leave tips, so I don't be worried about it. About me having to come out of pocket for extra stuff because I get my money back at the end of the day. Okay, so I added all the bills to this one. I use this bag just because I don't like the feel of the foam. It kind of messes with me how it's so sticky. For those who've been messing with this foam, it get everywhere, so I don't like it. Yeah, I just don't like it. So, another cost-efficient way to be able to get a bang for your buck, you can cut your styrofoam in half, okay? And I just use my little knife and I put it down on the ground. Hold on, let me prop it down so you guys can see how I do it. I just cut here. So with this block, you can put 50 bills on this block. You'll be fine, okay? So don't waste money. Don't waste money. You just cut it in half. It'll be just fine, okay? So now to the fun part. The paper. Okay, so we're going to take out our paper. And if you do have the designer paper, I'm going to show you guys exactly how to fold it. Okay? Trying to get it to where y'all can see. Dang, the floor is white too. Okay, so turn this way. So when you have your paper, hot dog, you're gonna pull this corner. I don't know if y'all can see it. Pull it down. You get it? Pull it down a little bit to where it's a corner. And it's gonna be a little corner on this end too. Oh my God. You get it? So it's like, it's hot dog. This is regular. Pull it down a little bit so you can get your V when you get ready to fold, okay? I'm trying to see the easiest way possible for it. Let me move the camera. Okay, so you have your paper hot dog, right? you're going to slide with your right hand, slide it down just a little bit. You see where the corner should look like this. Okay, when you slide it down. Hot dog, slide down, friend. You're going to get this corner. This corner. It depends on how big you want your triangles, okay? Okay, so on this way, you're going to slide down just a little bit. And you're going to crease, fold over. So however you would like your triangle, however big you want your triangles to be, it's up to you. If you want it big, wide, I'm just doing what's easier for me, okay? But y'all see where the triangle is coming, okay? Cooper, move. They can't see. So here, you can make them wider. Crease and tape. Let's do another one. Hot dog, y'all. Stay with me. I hope I ain't yelling. Hot dog. Slide down just a little bit so you can get that little V right here. You see that little V right there? You see that thing right there? Yeah. Do that. Slide it down. Just a little tap. And you're going to crease. Crease your paper so it'll get stuck right there. And then you're going to fold over. Whatever you feel like your V size you would like it to be. Keep it there. Okay? And you're going to crease. And you're going to tape. And you're going to do this for however many you need to go around, okay? Typically for a 100 bill bouquet, you're going to do 4 or 5, okay? Okay? Okay, so now that we got the paper folded, the side that you taped is going to be in the inside of your bouquet. So that's the side that's going to go here, okay? So in order for you to get the paper down a little bit easily, and I did the layer method with this one, so it'll give that fall over effect. Instead of it being the same size all around, I did the layer method. Okay, so you're gonna lay your bouquet down. You're gonna lay it down. Don't be scared to lay it down. It's not going nowhere, okay? If you put your sticks in right, it's not going nowhere. Okay, so let's zoom in. Okay. Now you're going to put your paper here. Your paper is going to go here, okay? Or you can go higher. It's up to you, however you want it to look, okay? But make sure you keep it like this so it'll be easy for you to put on there. And you're going to take your tape and you're going to put a tape on a stick. You're going to put it on the stick. Don't be scared to put your tape on the stick, okay? Your bill is not going anywhere. And if you do, you can adjust your bills once you get everything how you want it, okay? And tape as low as you can. Put your tape low, okay? So that's going to stay like that. Okay, so you're gonna turn your bouquet, and then you're going to put your other piece of paper on, okay? Or since you know another piece of paper is gonna go here, you can still tape. Well, I like to tape, it's up to you, but I like to tape here. And make sure you don't put it too tight, okay? Because you don't want your stick to go like this. You don't want your stick to go like this. You want to keep it in place, okay? I hope this is helpful to y'all. It's hard to explain, but so you're going to put your other paper here, but make sure your V's are in the place that you want them to be. Okay? So make sure your V's are kind of like equally apart, okay? You're going to do the same thing. Once you get your paper in place, you're going to tape around the stick so it'll stay. And you're going to tape so it'll stay, okay? Now, for this part, this is where you're going to take your stapler and you're going to staple. So it'll stay in place. All it takes is one staple. It ain't going to do all that fall over stuff, okay? You're going to turn your bouquet. And you're going to tape. I could put an extra dollar right here, but it's not going to matter once you the thing on there, because this is exactly 100. It's okay at the end, just long as it don't look loopy, okay, y'all? Okay, so now y'all can actually see like the triangles and stuff like that. Y'all can see exactly, okay? The base part. Now this is the part that everybody has an issue with. I still tussle with it, but this is the part that works for me. So hopefully this video is right for y'all. Cooper is in the way. So yeah, so we're gonna do the base, and I kind of do the cheat way, okay? I use this, okay? Cup, middle of the line, okay? You're gonna kind of like fold over, and you're gonna do it to the side like a present. You know how you would do a present, and you kind of like easily roll up, okay? Easily roll up. I hope this helps y'all. It's so hard for me to explain this part. In order for it to look neat, don't be scared. See how it look on this side? You keep your cup. You act like you're gonna roll, fold, play with it so it won't crease. Your tin cup is here like a present. You're gonna roll up and do like a little, and you tuck the part that you've already got in there. And it's going to be a little crease. And you stop. Now, you're going to take your other piece of paper and you're going to stuff inside. And don't be scared. You're not going to tear the paper unless you're just really punching it in the hole. Okay? And leave this out. Okay, and let me show y'all a trick. This, I'm a hot glue gun this, and I'm gonna stick it in here. Okay. Okay. So now that it's lit up green, I'm just gonna hot glue gun the sides just to make sure it does not move inside the can. This hot glue gun is wireless, and it's also in my Amazon storefront, which will be linked in my bio as well, y'all. So just put a little glue on there. You ain't gotta do the most, friend. And what you're gonna do is stick it inside your box. Let me put it down. You can squeeze it down, and then you're gonna pull your paper up. And this is exactly how I wrap it. You gotta let it dry a little bit too, friend. Let it dry. But this is how I wrap my bouquets, with the base and everything in there. I can make this look a little bit nicer, or I can hot glue gun it to the top, or I can fold it, which I think that's what I'm gonna try to do. See, now, if I would have did this on film, my paper would have went just fine. All right, y'all. Also, you can add a ribbon if you would like, whatever you would want to do. So, be sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. Let me know. It's really hard to record these type videos, so I do apologize if you guys did not understand or anything, so I'm very, very sorry. Hopefully this helped a couple, like for the base, so the base won't look so bad. This was my hardest part trying to learn, but I did learn from a girl on TikTok. But I got a piece of hair in there. But yeah, it came out really, really good. I'm a hot glue gun this on there because I don't like it. But we are a growing family, and we are going to grow together. I couldn't do a video about the designer paper. It would have been violation on YouTube. So whoever signs up for my Zoom class or how-to class, in order to do it, I will be giving out the vendor information for the luxury paper and stuff like that. So if you do sign up for my class, you will have access to the designer paper link. I am going to make my class live on Monday for early bird special. It will be $99 for the how-to class. For the early bird, it'll be $99. I will increase the price after a certain time, so just be on the lookout for that. But I will release it on Monday, and I want to tell you guys thank you. I appreciate you guys for all the love and support. I love y'all, and let's keep this family growing. Bye.